So,
Guys, meron tayong labong guys. Ihain natin ang mga ito. Kasi kailangan guys is maninis lalagyan natin ang
in this car, you don't exist. Don't tell me what to do when you lose your keys and you crash into. In this life, I don't exist. Don't tell me what to do. You look pretty young for someone with a PhD. Are you really my dad? You're
Kailangan maninipis lang yung hiwa niya guys. Yung labong guys, ito yung tumutubong anak ng kawain guys, yung maliliit. Ito yung ginagawang ulam. Pwede rin gawin to guys na salad. Masarap to guys ginataan. Pwede rin adobo guys, depende sa inyo. Kailangan niyan guys, maninipis lang yung hiwa talaga nito. Gamit lang kayo ng matalim na kutsilyo guys. At siwain lang ng sobrang ninipis guys. Patungin nyo lang yung hiniwa nyo guys. Yan. Siwain ng maliliit. Dapat sobrang liliit guys. Manipis lang. Para hindi siya mapait. Tapos papakuluan natin yan guys. So ayun siya guys. Ang hiwa niya guys para siyang ano, yung hiwa ng singkamas guys. Yan lang guys. Thank you for watching. So ayan guys, kumukulo na yung ating labong. Yan guys. Nilagyan natin siya ng konting asin guys para maging yellow siya guys. Ayan. Ayan, ating labong pinakuluan muna natin guys bago natin siya lutuin mamaya. Ang ganda guys.